रोटरी क्लब ऑफ नागपुर द्वारा 2021-2022 के लिए नए प्रेसिडेंट का इंस्टॉलेशन सेरेमनी आयोजित किया गया, जिसमें पूर्व प्रेसिडेंट संदीप धोड़पाकर ने डॉक्टर जस्टिन वॉचमेकर को पदभार सौंपा। डॉक्टर्स डे पर आयोजित इस कार्यक्रम में ब्लड डोनेशन का भी आयोजन किया गया। रोटरी क्लब ऑफ नागपुर के नवनियुक्त प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर जस्टिन वॉचमेकर ने बताया कि पैंडेमिक ने सभी को नए सिरे से सोचने पर मजबूर कर दिया है। निश्चित ही हर बार बेहतर करने की कोशिश की जाएगी। साथ ही आरटीएन डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर रमेश मेहर ने बताया कि इस साल उनका लक्ष्य 10,000 लड़कियों को सेल्फ डिफेंस का प्रशिक्षण देना रहेगा।
मैम कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर द इंस्टॉलेशन सेरेमनी। आप मैम ये बताइए कि पूरे साल भर के लिए क्या प्लानिंग्स की है रोटरी?
As per our current situation and our needs, we'll keep reinventing, remodifying. Plans have been made right from the day that I had thought I will take up presidentship. But like we know, the current situation has made us reinvent and rethink of projects. So as per the need, as per the pandemic, I would like to address it day by day as it falls in.
Ma'am, regarding women, what can you be take an initiative?
We already have a microcredit program in place which is for empowering women. We encourage women to take a small kind of a loan from Rotary Club of Nagpur, which they use for their small industries, either to start something new or to enhance what they already have, and then they keep repaying us, and that's how then we keep extending this lump sum to different members of different slums, which in fact our Rotary Club members go and identify. So that is a project I would continue doing, and I'd like to build it up to bigger heights.
थैंक यू मैम। मूविंग टू यू सर, डिस्ट्रिक्ट में किस तरीके से रोटरी के लिए कैंपेन्स लिए जाते हैं या कौन से काम किए जाते हैं?
The thing is that our district is quite vast. It starts from Nasik, and the last point is Chandrapur. So it's around 800 kilometers long district. So there is different need at different places, and we cater as per the need of society. And Rotary always give preference to the society's requirements first. But this year, I am having my one personal dream that I would like to train at least minimum 10,000 girls for self-defense. That is my dream, and definitely we will achieve it throughout the year.
Pardon sir, which one?
It's a self-defense techniques to be taught to 10,000 girls across district. That is the project which we are taking up this year as a thrust area project.
Great
And
initiative.
and addition to that, we are planning for dialysis center, mother milk bank, neonatal units, and many more projects. All are in pipeline, and definitely we will execute them for the society.
वहीं रोटरी क्लब ऑफ नागपुर द्वारा हर साल 1 जुलाई को ब्लड डोनेशन का आयोजन किया जाता है। इस बार 65 लोगों ने रक्तदान किया।
Since 77 years, it's a ritual. The Rotary year starts from 1st of July every year. So our first project is blood donation every year. We would like to, through this medium, ask people to donate blood. One bag of blood serves 3 beneficiaries. So if you just come forward, donate blood, it hardly takes 10 minutes. It will help 3 needy patients. So this is the cause we are doing, and throughout the year, we'll be conducting these blood camps.